Hey guys, it's San. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a squishy makeover. Now, if you don't know what that is, go check out Moriah Elizabeth. I've done videos like hers before on my channel. Obviously, I'm a fan, so totally want to shout her out. But today I'm doing a unicorn Valentine's Day theme squishy. So basically, I am painting a squishy using fabric paint, and yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see, I am painting it pink. I mixed white and pink, and I'm painting the body of it pink. So I did 2 coats of that at some point, and yeah, the first coat just absorbed so much of the paint. Don't know what that was about. But yeah, and if you don't know, you want to sand your squishy first before painting it so the paint will stick to it. I did that off camera. Yeah, and this was a meant to be DIY squishy. I found it at Walmart. It came with a star squishy for about $3. So that was pretty good. So I then decided, since the main part ate up so much of it, that I would paint the rest of the white parts white, just as a base coat before I did the rest of it, because I have a really fun idea for the rest of it that you will see in a couple minutes. So then I did my second coat, just mixed a very similar color. I didn't get the exact same color. This color ended up being a little bit lighter, and I liked that a little bit better. Then I mixed a slightly darker pink for the little feet. I don't know why the feet would be a darker color than the body, but they are. And then I added 2 little black dots for the eyes. I painted the wings white because that's when I decided that the wings were actually going to be white. Then I took my silver metallic color paint and I painted the unicorn horn, all that color. Okay, then I thought it would be really cool to add these little stars. They're silver, or maybe they're holographic, I don't know, but they kind of look rainbowy, and so I just took them, and this took kind of a little bit of time, but I took each little one and placed it on there perfectly. So it's a little bit hard to see, but that's what I did, and it's super shiny when it's done. Okay, there you can see I'm finished with the stars, and look how rainbowy pretty it looks. I think I really like that part. So after I did that part, I made 6 different color spots of white, and I mixed each color of the rainbow, but I made it a super pastel color. Yeah, so now I am working on the hair. And I'm gonna start off with the pink, and then I'm just gonna do a layer of it And then I'm sort of making stripes at this point on the hair. I was just getting a feel for how it's going to be laid out, and then with my second coat, that's where I'm really going to do the blending and make it look real seamless. So I flipped to the other side so I could get it all lined up and know how much room I needed for each color. I decided 3 on one half and 3 on the other half. So that's when I finished doing the first coat, and I just had it all blocked out, and then that's when I went in and did all the blending work. And this took quite a while, and I cut a lot of it out for you guys. Basically, I just blended back and forth, took the one color and the other color and next to each other, and then took half of one color and half of the other color and just blended it. And yeah, that was kind of a lot of work. And it's even pretty long in this clip when I cut a lot of it out. Okay, so moving on, I did another coat on the wings, and I cleaned up the hair ends a little bit with that. Then I thought I would add a little heart on its side back part, and I just did a little red heart, and I did my little trick where I add 2 little dots with the back of my paintbrush, and then I just make them go together in a little point. And that's my little unicorn. So I really hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you like squishy makeovers and if you would like to see more squishy makeovers in the future. I really like painting them, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, you could subscribe to my channel if you want, no pressure. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.